This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Kevin J. Bisceglia. Charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath house for sale in Middleboro with 150 by 50 chain link fenced yard on a quiet street. Owners have recently installed central heat and air and a new water heater, and have remodeled the bedrooms and bathrooms. There are hardwood floors in the living room and bedrooms, with vinyl plank in the kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry room. It has a metal roof, a screened back porch, a large covered front porch, a carport, a utility building in the backyard, and 2 beautiful dogwood trees in the front yard. Includes washer and dryer, new refrigerator, an electric stove, and a couch with a recliner on each end. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin J. Bisceglia at 606-248-4932.